welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new, welcome and thank you so much for visiting my page. My name is Jess and I create content on all things home DIYs, beauty, health and wellness, as well as femininity and girl talk. So if you are new, again, welcome. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit that notification bell just to make sure you know every single video that I do upload. I will be uploading content multiple times a week, so just be on the lookout for me because I will be creating more content as the time progresses. And again, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be doing a DIY project in my bedroom, basically doing this accent wall that you see here right behind me. I actually for the first time put up accent wallpaper in an entire bedroom. So this project was a very interesting project for me to do by myself, but it was indeed fun nonetheless to create this wallpaper that you see behind me. It's more of a barn rustic feel that I wanted to get out into my bedroom. I wanted to switch it up a little bit and make it a lot different from the other rooms in my apartment. And I feel this wallpaper was perfect for my room. It's a wood background. I have photos as well as videos in this content that you'll be able to get an up close and personal look of what the wallpaper actually looks like. But here is a piece of it. I kept it on my arm just so I could remember to show you all. But it looks like wood. It looks just like wood, and it's a really pretty color, and it goes well with my bed and my headboard. I purposely got this color to match my headboard because the headboard is more of a metal, it's a bronzy color. It's like a brownish purplish looking color, and I feel like it will go perfect with this wood thing on my accent wall. So this is the wallpaper that I put up. It took about an hour to do, I'll say. So again, this is what the video is on. I will be sure to leave a link to the wallpaper below in the comment section, as well as the description box. So don't forget to check out the description box. It'll have a whole lot of goodies in there for you to read, as well as to click on and things like that. And again, thank you for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you truly enjoyed this video and this content, let me know. And without further ado, let's get to the video. much for tuning in to my second video. I hope you all enjoyed the content. I hope you all also enjoyed the accent wall that I created. It took me about, I would say about an hour to do. It wasn't too long at all. The concept seemed a bit hard, but honestly, once I got into the groove, it wasn't too hard to actually complete. So let me know how you feel about the accent wall. If I did good, please leave that in the comments and let me know. If I could use some improvements on something, also leave that in the comment section and let me know. All of your comments are welcome, and I truly want to hear from you guys. So just let me know in the comment section how you feel about it, and if you want to see the other rooms that I am also using accent walls in as well. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know that you want to see those videos as well on those DIYs. And again, thank you for tuning in to my video. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!